This is our Celebrated Spa sample set. It has 32 5-gram pots in it. Now, it gives you a really wide range looking at body, facial, mani and pedi. So it gives you like an incredible overview of Pink's Boutique aromas, textures, and also gives you enough that it isn't just a one-off use, that you can actually really try it and see how it works for your skin. People always ask me how long these little pots last. Truthfully, it depends what's in it. So for instance, the Pink's Boutique Night Balm, there is 19 applications of night balm in here. Whereas when you use the Deep Cleanse Melt, you'll probably get 4 or 5 uses from it. What's really beautiful about these little pots is that they make amazing little travel buddies. So once you finish them, keep the little pots. They're really good to fill up for your weekends away, or if you take on the range and put it into your salon, they're really nice to refill as like a little tester to stop people digging their big paws into your larger pots. So really useful to keep reusing them. You need to try them. Why would you not? Also, please let us know if you would like to speak to one of us. You can just drop us an email and we can arrange that call.